Now, information is stored in disk, and disk is not a random access device.
Sir, I cannot see your screen.
You cannot just yes. Just 1 minute. It was there. Now you can see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, now you can see the screen. One person should type this number. One person. Now, when our scheme is not a random access, then the storage management is to be done. For example, suppose there are variables A and the value of A is 56. There is variable B 39, variable C 42, variable D 78, variable E 83, variable F 62, G 81 3, H 1, I 32 52, J 36. So these are the variables which we are assuming that they are stored in disk. And for the time being, we assume that it has got a linear structure. Technically speaking, disk is not a linear structure. It is a two-dimensional matrix structure with rotation along one axis, which we shall study sometimes else. But suppose it is a linear structure, and we are writing the program is this print D, print G, print B, print H, print J, print C. So the value will be outputted as 78, no doubt about it. But how much time it will take to output this number? That is more important part. Is it correct? So let us assume that our read unit, which reads the value from the disk, is at A. Let it is also called the disk head. Let head. What is the problem? Any problem? Let head means read unit at t equal to 0 points at A or is at A. Point is not so important. Is at A. So we are printing the value of D. So our head unit will be moving from A to D. So it will be moving one distance, two distance, and three distance. So time taken for this will be 3 unit time it will be taking. Because the head unit will be moving and it will be reaching at D. Is this correct? Now, as I told you, the value output is not so important. Once it is reaching a G, time taken will be how much? You tell me the time taken. Tell me the time taken.
6.
Time further additional time of 3 will be taken, because further additional time of 3 will be taken and it will be read at time t equal to 6. Yes. Why? Because we are at D and we are supposed to go to E, F, G. Is it correct? Here what movement we made? We passed ABC. And here we passed D, E, F. Now to reach at B, how much time it will take to reach at B? Give me the answer.
1.
Let us see. We are at G. We have to come to F, then to E, then to D, then to C, then to B. So from G, further 5 unit time has been taken. So it will be time taken will be 11. Is it correct? For H, our time taken will be what? From B, we are going to H. So we have to bypass. We are at B, C, D, E, F, G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are at B. B, C, D, E, F, G. B, C, D, E, F, G. So time taken will be 17. So this is how the things will take place. Is it correct? Rather than storing the information, no, after printing G, head will remain at G. Why it should move to H? Is it correct? Yes, Aditya, you are correct. We should do this, but I want to avoid it unnecessarily. Is it correct? Because I am avoiding the disk structure. Okay, which we shall study sometimes else. Today, my aim is to talk about duplicate information which operating system stores. Is it correct? Yes. Whatever you are saying is true, and it is indeed done. Because disk on one format is circular, and in another format it is linear. Is it correct? Aditya, you are fully correct. Any other person has got any doubt? Maybe that you might have put your doubt previously, but I could not pay attention to it. Is it correct? Okay. So this is true. And for J, how much it will be? 36. And for J, we are at H. So from H, I, we shall take 2 further unit time. 19. And for C, I, we shall be going to C, I. So we are at J, I, H, G, F, E, D, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is becoming now 6, 7, 26. No, I took this notation that it is bypassing ABC. Is it correct, Kasif? It is at A. So we can take both ways. We can take BCD also. But I assume that really it is coming from A, then B to C. Is it correct, Kasif? Is it correct? They are, Somaji, they are stored on disk. We are assuming that, technically speaking, for the time being, they are stored on some linear structure. Is it correct? Yes. So they are stored on disk, and assuming it has a linear structure. But truly speaking, it is not linear. Is it correct? It is a matrix structure with one dimension is circular in nature. But we don't want to go in that much detail. Is it correct? Yes. Is your doubt clear? So it will takes that much time. Suppose we use some other structure. We shall be coming to the red little bit later. But for the time being, let us pay another structure which is not duplicated structure, but still it will give you a feel how that structure helps. So we have, rather than taking storage along one line, let us do the storage along two lines. Is it correct? Now, let us see okay. Under these circumstances, when the same thing is getting done, let us see what happens. Value of print D will be 78. How much time it will take? It will take 3 unit time and head is at D. When we are printing G, we are only bypassing F. So the time taken is 1. Do you agree There are two heads. There are two head. There are two reading devices. So technically speaking, what we are doing, when we have to store some information. Previously, we were storing our information on one disk. Rather than storing our information on one disk, let us store our information on two disks. 50% information on one disk and 50% information on another disk. Is it correct? Yes. Do you agree with me? Rather than taking one disk, let us take two disks. And later on we shall see, and information is 50%. And we can see that our access has become fast. Because there are two independent disks are there. Later on we shall see, no, we shall do something other than this. But for the time being. Now, simple. If you see, no, no, Prabhat, Jannat, both the things are bit useless questions you have asked. How do we know which head to use? Disk 1 has got A, B, C, D, E, and disk 2 has got F, G, H, I, J. So if we want to use A, B, C, D, E, we shall use head 1. And if we want to use G, H, I, J, then we shall be using head 2. What is your doubt? I don't know your question, Jannat. Is it correct? How the time will be different time? I don't know what is the question. Okay. Now we are printing B. So
I think she's saying you have written T is equals to 1 in print G line. So she's asking.
Print G time T equal to 1. Yes, rather I should not be writing it 1. I should be writing in 1 unit time. It should be 4. Is it correct? I should not write it 1. It should be, I should write it 4. Jumman, you are writing data here is stored as a linked list. Wrong. It is stored as an array. There is a difference between linked list and array. In linked list, two data which are logically conjugative may be physically far distance apart. Is it correct? So it is not a linked list. Okay, both heads can work simultaneously also, but our computer cannot work. Processor cannot work simultaneously. Processor will give instruction and afterwards it will keep on waiting till the printing of D is done. Then it will give another instruction. So that's another head operates. Is it correct? Yes. Okay. So both heads are not working simultaneously. So previously I wrote T equal to 1. It was wrong. Now clear. At present, do you have got any doubt? Your question is not clear, Juman. You see, it is not a random access memory. It is not an electronic memory, Niranjan, where we were having multiplexer and we can access one of the contents. Is it correct? It is a physical structure. It is a physical structure. So our reading device moves linearly. Niranjan, is your doubt clear? You see, we cannot move to B from G. There is no method to move B from G. We are moving to G from F. Is it correct? Is your doubt clear? We cannot move from B to G. We shall remain on B as far as head 1 is concerned. Next, yes, you are fully correct. Next, we shall be moving from D to B. So it will be DC and time taken will be here 2 more, which is 6. Is correct? Yes. We access elements in an array in constant time, provided that array is stored on RAM, on electronic memory, using multiplexer. Okay? But once the memory is in linear form, and to access the read-write head has to be moved, it will not be constant. It will depend upon the reading material is how far away from the head. Who was this question has written? Sakshi. Yes, movement will be along the same structure. Yes. Okay, correct. Why it should be 7? Because our head is at D and now we are accessing B. Is it correct? There are 2 heads are there. Our head is at D and we want to access B. It will take 2 unit time. So it will be 6. Why it should be 7? You see, in the beginning, we don't know which element is required. Is it correct? So at time t equal to 0, our head is assuming that in the beginning. Randomly, technically speaking, it can be at any place. But we are assuming that it is at the beginning. And when program executes an instruction print D, our head moves 3 distance apart and takes the value. Juman, is your doubt clear?
Yes, sir. But one thing here, if the data is like the number of data stored in a disk is very long, so it will be
it will take more and more time.
So like usually what happens, like when we are using an array, it doesn't happens, right? It's a constant time.
How the question is this, that how that array is stored? Array is stored on RAM. RAM is a random access device. If we access some element of an array and afterwards if we access some other element of an array, it does not time taken does not depend upon which element I accessed previously. All the elements are accessed independent of the past. But same thing does not hold in case of disk. Is your doubt clear?
Yes, sir. Got it. Thank you,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. Any other person has got any other doubt? Harshvardhan? Because you see our head is at D. Why we shall be going from D to E, then to A to B? I have not told that it is circular. And even if it is circular, we shall prefer to go to D, then to C, then to B. D, then to C to B, rather than going from D, E, A, B. Is it correct, Harshvardhan? Why we should go like that? Harshvardhan, is your doubt clear? Yes. No, ROM is something different. ROM and RAM are similar. Okay, only thing is we cannot modify the memory. Linear time in disk. And technically speaking, it is not linear. Is it correct? For the time being, it is linear time in disk, not in ROM. RAM and ROM are both electronic. On the other hand, disk is physical. Disk is mechanical. Is it correct, Kasif? Okay. Now we are accessing H. So our head is at G. So we can directly access H. So one extra time it will be taking. Okay. Then we want to access J. So by HI we can access J. So 2 more unit time can be taken. And then we are accessing C. Our head is at B. So from B we can directly go to C. So it will be taking 10 unit time. Is it clear to you? Any mistake? Any doubt? Now we shall be talking about RAID. We will be in RAID. We are doing duplication of the information. Let us see what is RAID. This whole information, yes, human head can move in any direction. So this information is stored on 2 disks. What is ROM? Kasif, what is the definition of ROM? Tell me. Now, following information is duplicated on 2 disks. So there are 2 disks. Both the information will have 2 values, 2 variables A, and the same variable will be copied. And since there are 2 disks are there, let head 1 read unit at time t equal to 0 is at A. Let head 2 read unit at time t equal to 0 is also at A. So there are 2 read units, 2 independent disks are there. Is it correct? Yes. Now We are printing D. So we can take our head 1 at D and head 2 remains at A only. Is it correct? And in 3 unit time, we are able to access D. There are 2 independent heads are there and duplicate information is there. That's the important part. So we move our head to D. Now we want to access G. We have 2 options. I can either use head 1 or I can use head 2. I have 2 options. Previously, in both cases, there was only one option. In the first case, there is only one head, so certainly there is only one option. And in the second case, there is 2 heads are there, 2 read units are there, but they were working over different set of variables. But here, we have got 2 options. I can take the help of head 1 or I can take the head of head 2. I can take my head 1 to G or I can take my head 2 to G. And certainly moving of the head 1 will be easy. So I will take my head 1 to G and head 2 will remain at A only. And time taken will be 6. Because my head will bypass D, E, F. Now, I want to print B. Again, I have 2 options. What are the options? I can take my head 1 to B or I can take my head 2 to B. 2 read units are there. So I can have an option, I can take my head 1 or head 2. But if I take my head 2 to B, the time taken will be only 1 unit. So it will be 7. Is it correct? Because 2 read units are there. Okay. You see, you think in terms of this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. And then any one of them can be taken if both are equally. Okay. If they both are equally, then we can take any one of them. Now, our head 1 is at D. And head 2 is at A. Now, head 2 can move to B or head 1 can move to from G to B. Okay, fine. So we prefer to move head 2. Now, Here we see, fine. As far as H is concerned, going from G to H will be easy. And head 2 will remain at B. And it will take one extra unit time. Now we want to print J. Certainly head 1 going to J will take 2 unit time, and it will be taking 10 unit time. Now this is what the operating system is supposed to do it. Operating system knows the location of both the heads, and it can find out which head is nearer. Jumman. Yeah, because you see, computation time is very less because it is done at the electronic level, and the head movement is done at the mechanical level. Computation time is of the order of nanoseconds, and head movement is of the order of milliseconds because it is at the physical and mechanical level. So we can forget about it. Okay. Any doubt till now? Now we are printing C. So moving to H1, to C will be easy. It will take only one extra unit time. Now, suppose we are printing C. One is C and one is J. C and J. Suppose we are doing with F. So here we are bypassing 3. Yes, suppose we are printing F. What we shall do, you tell me. In case of F, what will be done?
Hello,
Hello?
hello, sir. Can you scroll it, the chat box?
Okay. You see, in this case, we have got both options equally. Why? We can take H1 to F. We can take H1 to F. So we shall have a movement of Ji, G, G, J, F. It was J, F, G, H, I. So our head was at J and we are taking to F. Yes. Okay. It will take more. It will take 4 units. On the other hand, from C, it will take 3 units. Okay. This is one possibility. And another possibility is that we can move head 2 and we can move to C, D, E, 3 possibility. So we shall prefer head 2. We shall prefer head 2. And head 1 will remain at J only. We should move head 2. So T equal to 4T. Is the doubt clear? Fine. This is very simple, Juman. Technically speaking, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J are variables. So assuming that there is an array K, and K is from 0 to K100. Is it correct? Suppose we are accessing K5, then we are accessing K9, like that. Is it correct? So it does not make any difference. Now, let us further proceed. Suppose in the very beginning, let us go to the very beginning case. Suppose we are doing G equal to or E equal to 29. We are changing the value of one variable. So what will be happening? How much time it will take? Our head is at C. So our head will be going from C, D. 2 distances will be moved by our head. So it will take only 2 units of extra time. You see, in the very first case, when there is only one head and plane structure is there, plane linear structure is there, we shall be moving only single head. Our head, which is at C, will be moving to E, and it will be moving, taking 2 unit time. But let us see what is going to happen in this case. We are doing E equal to 29. Tell me what will be done. Yes, you are correct. Yes, head is only moving greedily. They are not bothered about the long stance, advantage, disadvantage. They are only bothered about the just now what will be more beneficial. Is it correct, Nilanjan? What else is your doubt? Any other question if any student has asked? Please put it again. Maybe that I missed the question. And then answer what will be doing in this case when E equal to 29 is getting done. What will be done in this case and how much time it will take? Please try to answer. Gyan, you are fully correct. What was the question? You see, okay. I will explain to you after the class. Jannat. There is a global optimization, there is a local optimization. Is it correct? So if you want, I can explain to you after the class, or you send me a mail and I will reply. No, Sakshi, no, you are wrong. You are wrong. Others, I could not understand your question. What are you saying? You see, we are maintaining, so 5 unit time. Both, you see, what we are maintaining, T will be 16. And both H1 and H2 will be going to E. Why? Because both the disks are containing same duplicate information. So whatever changes are to be made, they should be made in a consistent manner. That is correct. That is correct. Yes, yes, yes. Why not others? We can calculate the distance. Any other doubt? Why we cannot calculate the
Sir,
distance?
I have a doubt.
Who are you?
Sir, I'm Pranav.
Pranam, bata. What is your doubt?
Sir, for example, we have to go from D to G, जो पहली दो lines हैं.
No,
So
we are going from D to
G. Suppose you're saying print D and then print G.
print D, print G. One of the head will go to D and another head will remain at A. Yes, sir?
Yes, sir. So
Moving the
my
first
question,
head will take longer time and moving the second head will be taking lesser time.
sir, I understand that. What my question is, the head can move either to the left or to the right.
Yes.
Now, we can see with our eyes that G is to the right of D, and that is why we are saying that the pointer will move towards the right. But can the computer see with its pointer at D कि उसे कहाँ जाना है, उसे लेफ्ट जाना है
देखो
या
ऐसा
राइट?
होगा ना, यहाँ पे वहां पर ABCD नहीं होंगे, वहां पे वेरिएबल्स होंगे. K4, D को K4 लिखा जाएगा और G को लिखा जाएगा K0 1 2 3. B को K4 मान लो लिख दिया गया, K3 लिख दिया गया, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 और G को लिखा जाएगा K6. So
अच्छा
in
तो
this case, we can
numbers
find out the difference between 6 and 3.
okay sir.
Any more doubt? Yes.
No sir.
Prabhat, you are fully correct, sir. It means that we have two physical disks. Yes, there are two physical disks. The topic of the today's lecture is redundant array of independent disk. Our today's lecture is RAID. You can study it from the net or from book. Okay? Yes. You see, in earlier case, we want to get the value of D. So value over the D can be obtained from either disk because there is a duplicate copy. But we are updating a variable. When we are updating a variable, both the copies are to be updated. Do you understand this? Jumman, have you understood it? Harshvardhan, linked list is totally different. So let us not bring the concept of linked list here. Is it correct? Yes. If you want, I can separately teach you what is linked list. Okay? Yes. Any other question now? That is correct. Sayantan, you are fully correct. because we are updating the disk, but previously we were only reading and printing. Any more doubt? Any more doubt? Maybe that I have not answered it. Okay. So this is how the things will be taking place. You see, the value of E is stored at two different locations, Misra. Sohibit Misra. And both the locations are to be updated. Do you understand this? Yes. Any other doubt? Any other question? Topic name is RAID, redundant array of independent disk. Okay. Okay, if you want, I will explain to you. Greedy and optimal. They are two different things. Many students have asked this question, but our time is becoming up. So I don't have time. If you are interested, I can explain it after the class. Is it correct? Yes. What is greedy and what is optimal? Okay. Any other question related to any other question except greedy? No, Prabhat. Instead of using two disks, can't we use the two heads? You see, physically, you see, it will not become possible. Is it correct? They physically they may be go scanning over some distance. So what will happen? They will even collide. You see how it will become possible? You think you yourself think physically how it will be possible? They will collide also. Is it correct? Any question other than optimal versus greedy? That I will answer if you are interested after the class. You suggest me the topics which are commonly asked in interview. Is it correct? Okay, you send me a mail, and it is not necessary that all the topics you suggest together. So you may suggest one or two topics in the lab. Okay, then I will keep that in mind. Okay, it will be at present difficult for me to tell you the topic which I will teach in this course together. I can only tell you the topic for tomorrow. Is it correct? Yes. Yes. Our class is over. Class over. Class over. We can do discussion. Is it correct? Time is up. Class is over. We can do discussion. If you want, you can even ask the question from the mail. And if someone is interested, I will tell the difference between optimal versus greedy. But that is not a part of operating system. That becomes a part of the algorithm course. Is it correct? Yes. One person has asked this question, Sayantan Kundu. I will reply. Maybe that you send me a mail. Network course. What about the computer network elective course? This is also running. Today's class is at 3 p.m. and the same link address. Is it correct? Same link address is there. Even if you are not registered, even if you are in two mind, you may attend both the. Suppose you are in two mind whether to take this elective or that elective. Then you attend both of them and then take the decision before the last date for registration is over. Is it correct? Yes. Same link. Sayantan, have you heard me? And I have, yes, I have sent you the notes of the yesterday's lecture. Have you got it? Yesterday's lecture, there was a lecture on which topic? Ready state, blocked state. Yes, received
Yes,
it. Fine, fine, fine.
Sir, is this course considered for minor in MNC?
I don't know. Students are writing the mails to me. Okay, so they may be knowing it. How do I know it about it? Okay. Because you have applied for it, so you might have seen somewhere. Is it all right? Yes. Prabhat, why I should send every time? All the things which are written here, you can read it here itself. So you answer whether it is considered for minor or not. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Okay. So you again send me a mail. In this way, I send the mail for Wednesday lecture, na? I send the mail. Yes. Nilanjan, I sent the mail for yes, in this Wednesday lecture. You got it? Yes. Any other question? Any other doubt? Greedy, yes. I am explaining the greedy. I am explaining. Okay. Okay, I will revise just now for you. Okay, I will revise it. Are you free just now? If you are free, I will revise it. Okay, any other thing? Yes. One of the question is about the optimal versus greedy. Let us see this. Suppose we have this. And Suppose we are printing H. What we shall do? Write down the answer. Which head we shall move? We can move either head 1. We can take the head 1 or 2 H, and head 2 remains on A, or it does not make. Stop recording. Yes, yes, yes.